My name's Tom Brown. I'm from Charlotte, North Carolina, and of course right now I'm living in the Villages, Florida. So basically I've had the pergola almost a year, and I found that the openness of the pergola, and plus the fact that it was open from all sides, it was always catching a breeze. The longest part of the project was actually trying to find the right product to put on the lot. I knew I wanted a pergola. I knew I wanted it to be something I could trust, something that would look good when I finished. I just looked it up online, and competitive pricing was one thing, and a lot of other things that I liked. I liked the vanes on the roof that changed and let the sun in, and that would shield the area from rain if you happen to be out there having a dinner or whatever the case may be. And the construction of the product looked very well. It was a first-rate company, and I'm always looking to add value to my house and make it look appealing from the street, in this case from the golf course. I ordered the Pro model, and 12 by 16 has fit my application. It's a bronze to match the windows that we have here, and then louvers at the top. I was going to get it in white, but eventually I saw the cream. It's just real nice, it looked good. I think the contemporary crown molding made it look more impressive. It made it look like a substantial building. It looked so much better, I thought, with the contemporary crown. My handyman and myself, okay, the two of us put this up, and we did it in a day, pretty much. And the one story that I like is we have to have it inspected. The inspector, who does this all day long, this is what his job is, he wrote A+ looking at the pergola and signed his name right next to it, which is, I thought, a tremendous compliment. Well, the hurricane did come through here, and I was here by myself. The wind was whistling through everything out here, okay? And I mean, it was just, hurricanes got a tremendous force, and there was nothing. I mean, we had a couple tree branches fall on it. It didn't do any damage at all. It's wonderful. It's a nice quiet evening out there for us that we sit after the sun goes down or as the sun's going down and look over the golf course, and some days through the course of the day sitting and watching the golfers come by, and it's quite nice. It really is. And you get to see the sunrise in the morning with a cup of coffee, and of course I've got a little fireplace out there, and it's just gorgeous. I just like the entire product. I like the look of it. I like the way it feels to own it. I like the vanes that I can adjust them to keep the rain out, keep the rain in. I like things that are well built, and I like this very, very much. I don't want a problem, and this is anything but a problem. This is perfect. It's the difference between going outside and not going outside. This has allowed us to go outside, be sheltered from the elements. It's great because the breeze comes right by where we're sitting, and it's just great to get that breeze come by. It's nice to enjoy that. Not only would I recommend, I've recommended to a number of different people. There's a good number of people who come by here and they say, "Can we see your pergola? We want to see your pergola." Golf carts pull up, look at it, and they come in, and I proudly show them how it works, how it goes up and down the screen, goes up and down, how the vanes change, and they look at it from different sides, and it's great. It really is.